Fix that issue guys. I will unplug the tuner. Okay, as you can see, I will show you the interior of printer. There are two sensors that is touching the tuner. One sensor is this, okay, and one is here. You can if see with the light. I will mention with the screwdriver. Hold on. One, this is sensor, okay, and one is here. The upper sensor is went inside, so it's not touching the tuner, so that's why the printer is printing totally black page. Understand? Look, if I press, let's go inside. Okay, fine, this sensor is went inside but didn't came out, so we will move this, pull this sensor out, so then this sensor will touch toner. This area you can see this is the tuner, and left side you can see one metal sensor will touch this, then it will not print the black page. So with the help of user or help of flat screwdriver we will pull this sensor out. Okay.